Preschool friends, it's Miss Lisa. We're back, and today we're going to learn a little bit about shapes. Shapes are everywhere around us in our world. We learn at preschool all about shapes and colors, and in our world there are shapes and colors all around us. For example, look at our friend Elmer. He's so colorful. And what shape do you see all over Elmer? You said square? Very good. There are squares all over Elmer. So there are shapes everywhere. So we're going to start with a story, and then you're going to have a really fun assignment that you get to go and do with somebody in your family. Today our story is titled The Shape of Things, and the author is Dale Ann Dodds. So the author is the person who writes the words, and in this story the author worked with an illustrator, and all of you are illustrators every time you make a picture. And the illustrator of this story is Julie Lacombe. She drew the pictures. So, the shape of things. Welcome to the shape of things. Look at this. What do you see? Shapes and colors all over. There are circles and squares, ovals and diamonds and rectangles too. The shape of things. Okay, I know I don't have to tell you the shape. What is it? A square, you're right. A square is just a square until you add a roof to windows and a door, and then it's much, much more. What did they turn the square into? A house. Very good. And what shape are the windows? Squares. Good job, friends. And do you see this brown part of the roof? Who can tell me what shape that is? You said rectangle? Good job. A triangle is just a triangle until you add another, an ocean and a sky, and a seagull passing by. Wow, so they use two triangles together to make a boat. And do you see the seagull? Now, as you're listening to our story, I know you're hearing some rhyming words. So if you go back and listen again, you can listen for all the rhymes. A rectangle's just a rectangle until you add some more, an engine and a track, and a red caboose in back. What did they make? Choo choo! They made a train. And what number is on the train? You said 5? Good job, friends. The number 5 train. Friends, I think that we should have had a circle in our story. Oh, we missed our circle page. There it is. Can't miss our circles. Circles are important. A circle is just a circle until you add some lights. Chairs high and low, round and round they go. What did they make? Did you say a Ferris wheel? Look how fun that looks. I would love to go on the Ferris wheel with you guys. That would be so much fun. Oh, we like this shape. A diamond's just a diamond until you add some string, wind and a tail, and some friends to help it sail. What did they turn the diamond into? A kite. Very good, friends. Good job. My friend Ben sent me a picture of a kite the other day, and it was really cool. But the kite was getting away because it was so windy out. A shape is just a shape, but look again and see. Look at that picture with all the different shapes and what they made. I see the ocean and the sun and a carnival with a Ferris wheel and somebody's house And a choo-choo train going over a bridge. And so much more because I know there are flowers down there. There are shapes of every kind. How many can you find? Can you find some shapes on this page? I see a clown holding balloons. I see a hot air balloon. I see an ice cream with a cone. What shape is that? Look at all the shapes. Oh, and another, you can make art just by adding shapes to a piece of paper. Look how pretty that is. And they made a pattern. Oh, I said the word pattern. You know what that means. We have to do it together. So a pattern, we're gonna take turns going back and forth. Orange, pink, orange, pink, orange, pink. What's another way we could call this pattern? Circle, diamond, circle, diamond, circle, diamond. So many beautiful shapes and patterns. So, our fun bit of homework for today is you get to take a shape walk. Now you have the choice. Mom and Dad will give you one shape. What shape is this? Did you say circle? Good job. You can take one shape like a circle and walk all around and look and see how many circles can you find. You can look in your house, and if it's a beautiful day out, you can walk through your neighborhood and see how many circles you can find. I'm going to give you a hint. If you look at somebody's car, there's something on their car that are in the shape of a circle. And you will find at least 4 of them. Did you say the wheels? You're guessing right. So, I was wondering if I had any circles around just looking outside. And I found a yo-yo. And I found, oh, when I took off my roller skates, what shape are my wheels? Circles. The top or bottom of my soup can is a circle. But if we look at the can like this, and inside, that makes it a cylinder. So a circle and a circle. We're going to turn it into a cylinder. And any other circles? Oh, this is round. But when you have a circle that's round in a 3D shape, we can call it a sphere. So my soccer ball is a sphere. My little boy wanted to look for some ovals, but he was only able to find 2 ovals in our yard. He found a football and an egg. So he found 2. But you can choose any shape. Try to make it one that's more difficult for you. Now, for those of you who want more of a challenge and you want to find a lot of different shapes, you can make a shape chart and put it on your clipboard. So you could say, how many circles? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I can write my 7. Oh, I think we're gonna have macaroni and cheese for dinner. What shape is this? 2 long sides and 2 shorter sides. This is our rectangle. And I think my book also makes a rectangle. So next to rectangle, I can write the number 2. Oh my goodness. If I'm going to count all of Elmer's squares, I'm going to have a lot next to my squares. And I wasn't able to find any triangles out here, but I can look again later. So, my little friends, that is your assignment for today. You can take a shape walk in your house, or you can go walk through your neighborhood. You can look for one shape, or you can look for as many shapes as you want. Remember we talked about the octagon? That's the stop sign. So look for all your shapes, and I can't wait to see your shape pictures and chart that you send back to me. Bye! Happy Saturday!